How to promote account on TikTok. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to promote your account on TikTok. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download TikTok on Play Store or App Store, or you can check out their website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So here in the homepage of TikTok, what you're going to do is by clicking your profile account first. So the way that we will promote our account is by promoting each video that we post. So that's the only way to promote your account to gain more views. And in order to do that, when you're in profile, just click these three lines on the top right corner and click creator tools. Then under promotion tools, you will see a lot of options, but we were going with promote button. So just click this promote button and you will see this page. And under this page, you will see all of the videos that you created so far, and you can choose one of those videos and click a promotion pack that you want to choose. So there's a lot of promotion packs, and the price depends on their benefits. So you can choose from 2,400 plus views up to 15,000 plus views. So yeah, you can choose whatever you want. So me, I'm just going to choose this one. And if you click pay, you will redirected to the payment method. So you can choose any method that you want and pay your promotion. So me, I'm just going to leave that way. So after that, after for example, you purchase your promotion, you can go to the dashboard so that you can manage how much followers you gain so far, how much views you gain so far after promoting your videos. And that's it. That's how you promote your account on TikTok. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.